CrewAI, Autogen versus LangChain. So let's start with CrewAI. CrewAI is designed to coordinate multiple AI agents as a team, or also known as crew. It emphasizes collaboration, structured roles, and task delegation in multi-agent workflows. So the pros of it is it has a strong focus on agent collaboration and orchestration. It also has easy to define agent roles and assign responsibilities, and it has a fast-growing community with practical examples. The problem with it though, it's newer compared to LangChain and Autogen, and it may require external tools for advanced memory. Now Autogen, on the other hand, focuses on multi-agent conversation systems. It allows developers to set up structured interactions between large language models and humans, making it great for research and advanced AI experiments. So its pros is it's excellent for multi-agent conversations and research. It also supports human-in-the-loop workflows, and it's great for complex collaborative agent setups. The concept of it though is it can be heavy for simple projects, and it's more experimental than production ready in some cases. Then lastly we have is LangChain. LangChain is the most widely known framework for orchestrations of large language models. It provides tools for chaining prompts, managing memory, connecting to external APIs, and integrating with vector databases. So the pros of it is it has a large ecosystem with wide adoption, rich integrations with databases, and is also production ready for many AI apps that use its cases. So the problem is though, it can be over-engineered for simple projects, and the rapid changes sometimes cause versioning issues which makes errors. So overall, CrewAI is best for collaborative multi-agent workflows. Autogen is best for research and experimental multi-agent conversations. And then LangChain is best for general large language models orchestrations, integrations, and production apps.